made this shit for me, man.
He's on fire!
I'ma smoke to this shit. That's why I made this shit. Fuck it.
Tryna get my ends to add up. Niggas happy for they raise, but the cost of living gone up. You ain't hustling, you ain't living. Niggas working for they rent. Then call JA for extension. Living reckless, this the trenches. In the mind of a man, that's a prison, bitch. I'm gon' free me from that. Where would I be without drug money? I don't know how mama know, but glad as long as she still love me. Still hustling, man, I'ma get it if it me kill something. Even Satan was an angel, so you know I don't trust nothing, cause I know they don't wanna see me ride luxury. I love that they hate on me, let them hate, cause I just get motivated, grimy and thirsty, determined to make a dollar. Forgot to rob, steal, murk 'em. I'm tired of waking up mad, feeling like this shit ain't working. Really feeling like fuck work, man, that check ain't worth it. I'm a motherfucking hustler, that's why that money is perfect. Thinking money over everything got me caught in the moment. To my dog say, fuck your problems, nigga. Fuck your problems, bitch. Fuck your problems, nigga. Fuck your problems, bitch. Fuck your problems, nigga. Fuck your problems, bitch. Fuck your problems, nigga. We all got problems, bitch. Fuck your problems, nigga. Fuck your problems, bitch. Fuck your problems, nigga. Fuck your problems, bitch. Fuck your problems, nigga. Fuck your problems, bitch. Fuck your problems, nigga. We all got problems, bitch.
That's when niggas snap back to the real world. Everybody got problems. Motivation.